and welcome back to the second part of the tab control login system. Now I'm going to have to exit out of here, and let's try to put finishing touches to this. First of all, I'm going to create another class, and this other class will be called tab underscore control 2. There. And I will define as follows. Get rid of this arrow, and let's say initialize, and I'm going to say self as well, self.root, and underneath here what I'm going to then do is, maybe I might as well just go right up here and just copy as follows everything here. Just copy it all. No, apart from this, I don't need this. I might also need it. Let me copy that. Let's come right down here and paste. There we go. I may have to change this name though, so let's just say initialize UI, user interface, there. And the size is the same. This is going to be tab control whatever for the second window. Inside the second window, let me now declare as follows. So what I'm trying to achieve here on the second window is just to open up all of this. Okay, right here is all opened anyway, but there's something I need to do. Let me copy all of this first. I'm going to copy them. So scroll right down here and I'll paste it right there, right here. Paste. Now, first thing, I'm going to get rid of self tab control 0. I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm also going to get rid of this. Right, so this is how that looks like now. Move this up. Good. But I will also change the name to initialize UI, and that is the initialize UI that I've called here already. Okay, so that's taken care of. So that will take care of my tab control for the second part of it. But guess what? It's not going to work if I don't call it. Or let's say I should call it from here. Let's come down here and say, let's create another function, and that will be function, I'm just going to call it login underscore, okay, then window. Yeah, and window is going to be inside self. So let's end up and say self dot the tab window, okay, tab window equals top level. Okay, and top level, that's going to be dot root. Okay, now this should be window, not window. Yeah, window. Now, I'm now going to say self.app equals tab, that's a tab control 2, yeah, tab underscore control 2 open a bracket, is going to be self dot tab window. There we go. As you guys can see, I've officially called my second class here. Okay, I'll make reference to this class right here. Now I now need to call this very one. So I will now go into my if statement right here, because if we get this login details right, we expect it to open up the self dot, that will be login underscore system. I believe that's what I call it. Let's see. Yeah, it's window actually, it's not system. Copy that. Let's go up right here and just paste that here. There, parentheses. That's it. So if I get the login details right, I should be able to open up that very window. This very window that we just created here. Okay. So hopefully this should work. But before that, you see here, right here, we need to disable everything in there. So right in here, I'm just gonna say comma state equals disable, and I'm going to just copy this and repeat the same thing here. No, that's not meant to be disabled. This has to be disabled. 1, 2, and 3. There. So let's save it and run, just to give it a try, see what's going to happen. Oh, we need a column here. There we go. Alright, there's a T here as well. Okay, so let's try it out again, guys. And there we go. As you can see, all of the tab are disabled. So let's enter invalid data in there. There. Okay, now let's enter correct data. There we go. You see that? It's now all enabled. Why the login details disappears. So I'm going to close that. And right here is the login details. So let's close that again. So what we need to now do is, I'm now going to add all of my previous program in there. So let's just add a broken line there, and here I'm going to make it 1, 2, 3. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to include my old program so that you guys can gain access to them on YouTube. So I want to go to YouTube just to copy the URL for each of my old 3 programs that I intend to add to this very program. Alright, here enter the very first one. The very first one is going to be Advanced Payroll Management System. So I'm going to copy that very program, okay, and just paste it right underneath here. But before then, let's just add that in there. Okay, so let's copy that very program. The link of that very program is also included in on the tutorial, on the description area. You should be able to see the link there. Okay, I've copied my very first program, the payroll management system, and I've pasted there. Those are the lines of code for the payroll management system. If you want to know more about the payroll management system, and here is the URL for the payroll management system. I'm going to save it, and let's run it and see. enter the right login details. Okay, click on that. That's correct. Right there is the payroll management system. The other two tabs, there's nothing in there. Alright, if I click on exit, confirm if you want to exit. Nope. Well, which means I don't have any more access to payroll management system. You will have to log in again. Okay, and that is just for security purpose. There we go. Now let's take care of this, the inventory management system. I'm going to close that and come right down here, and this is where I'm going to paste the inventory management system. Okay guys, I've just pasted the inventory management system. That's the URL for the inventory management system. Have a good look at it if you need, in case you need that very URL. I've also pasted my hotel management system, and that is it right there. That's the URL for the hotel management system. I will now run this program just to see how it looks like. Run it. Make sure it's safe first. There. Invalid data. Nope, that's unacceptable. Let's enter the correct login details. Yeah. Login. There we go. And we can go to inventory management system. We can also go to the hotel management system. There's one different thing on this hotel management system. I just changed the color. That's all there is to it. The color you will see on YouTube will be powdered blue and cadet blue, so that's fine. I prefer this color. There, that's it. So if you want, you can always try out your program. Employee name, let's say the name is Peter Pan. Address number 1, 280 Road. There. Postcode and gender is male. Okay, reference, we have to leave that alone. Employees working for Women's Aviation. There. Waiting allowance, basic pay, overtime, and nothing here. Let's click on that. There we go. See that the system works as expected, and you can see the difference between this and this here. And that's the purpose of the calculator. You can even use a calculator to check that out. Let's see, and just click on that. Oh, calculator. There we go. Oh, okay, I was meant to enter that. Alright, that is it guys. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and please do subscribe, or you can also join to become a member of my channel. And you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.